Join me as I take a challenge of growing my YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 9 months. Growing a YouTube channel in 2025 requires staying updated with the latest trends and strategies. It's no longer just about creating content and hoping for the best. You need to have a solid plan to succeed. Creating a successful YouTube channel can be tough, especially for new creators who are just starting out. Algorithm changes can be really frustrating. One day your videos are getting tons of views, the next day you're barely getting any. Competition is also a major challenge. There are so many talented creators out there, it can be hard to stand out. Audience engagement is another hurdle. Getting people to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel can be a real struggle. Many creators get discouraged and give up, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome these challenges and grow your channel fast. Building an audience takes time and effort. You need to be consistent and patient. Consistency is key. You need to regularly post high quality content that resonates with your target audience. Niche targeting is crucial. You need to find a specific niche or topic that you're passionate about and become an expert in that area. This will help you attract a dedicated audience who are interested in what you have to say. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, thumbnails is essential. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and get more views. Using relevant keywords and tag words can also help increase your video's visibility. Engaging with your audience is vital. Responding to comments and creating a community around your channel can help increase engagement and loyalty. There are many success stories of creators who have implemented these strategies and seen rapid growth. For example, a creator who focuses on a specific niche and consistently posts high quality content can quickly build a loyal following. By optimizing their videos for search and engaging with their audience, they can increase their views and subscribers. A great example of this is a creator who went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 6 months. They focused on creating high quality content, engaging with their audience, and optimizing their videos for search. They also collaborated with other creators and promoted their channel on social media. This helped them reach a wider audience and grow their channel fast. The creator's success is a testament to the power of consistency, niche targeting, and audience engagement. By following these strategies, you can also grow your channel fast and achieve your goals. Another creator who had great success is one who created a series of videos around a specific topic. They released a new video every week and promoted it on social media. This helped them build a loyal following and increase their views and subscribers. The key to growing your channel is to stay focused and keep creating high quality content, recapping the essential tips shared in this video, optimizing your videos, being consistent, and engaging with your audience are all crucial to success. Check out my other videos for more in-depth tips on growing your YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your own growth experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey and what's working for you.